Oh, he burnt it. That's why.
What might you be doing?
He has
Sir, I That was so cute. Oh, Stella, tell everyone about your tooth.
I got $2 for my tooth because I lost my tooth yesterday.
Sam's gonna take him to school. Love you.
What? Look at
Love
her
you.
face. She likes outside.
Give me a hug. Love you.
Love you, Scarlett.
Love you. Okay.
Love you. Hello.
Oh.
Oh, bye. Love you. So cute.
Okay, you guys have a really good day, okay?
Just some boogies. Somehow got her in her neck.
She's sick.
Love you.
Love you. Have a good day, guys.
I have my lunch in my bag.
Sam got up really early and went to swimming this morning. Bye, guys.
She's with that briefcase. Time and shake.
We're getting ready to go get Sydney. She gets out early today, so I'm gonna go in and get the keys. Oh, we can do those when we come back, okay? Picking up Sydney. Short day today. Hello.
I was dying out there. It's hot.
It is. It hasn't been this warm for a few days. Feels nice.
Oh, she asleep already.
Oh, she is so tired. She was up early. No nap yet. Sydney's home. We've got both grandmas here. Okay, repair guy is not here. I are on the way to the doctor. He has a hurt toe. Well, it's from when he hurt his toe last year, right? And then now your toenail's growing in funny. So it's hurting him. He'll probably have to have surgery and have his toe removed. His sister's still sleeping. We have both grandmas we had both grandmas at the house because one grandma has to go get Spencer. He has a dentist appointment at 2:30. I have a technician coming to fix the washing machine again because the last one did not fix it. He actually looked at it and said that he didn't know why it was leaking and to take a picture next time. It's what? Of the water on the floor? I'm confused. But
so did you have to pay for that?
No, it's under warranty.
No, for him to come out.
No. So it really made no sense. And then I just got thinking about it as it's leaked on my floor every day since. I'm calling back. Hopefully they send someone different. The last guy was super nice, but I can't diagnose the problem. I don't know where it's leaking. That's why I called them. So anyway, he's coming. Someone needed to be at the house, so Grandma Carolyn's there for that. And yeah, we're going to the doctor. Are you taking stuff out of my diaper bag? Your diaper bag? Thank you.
Mommy.
Sam's about falling asleep in here. That swimming got to him.
Abby.
Are you trying to pull his clothes off? Sam, you look so cute.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
You look so cute too. You are stylish. Don't pick me, I'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll be good. Try not to. Scarlett took the shot for me.
Sam said that was not the bad shot. The last time we were here, his arm hurt for how long? You said quite a while.
A week and a half at least.
But this one was not the bad one. Oh, but his toe hurts too, and I just kind of stepped on it.
You stubbed it. That's worse than stubbed it.
Are you happy? She's so happy. Scarlett. Scarlett. Hi. Shall we smack Sam in the arm? See if it hurts now?
It's fine. The other shot felt like a bee sting. And it hurt.
But this
one didn't hurt.
didn't hurt. That's great. That was the meningitis shot you just had, so.
Yeah, the other one was terrible.
Okay, instead of going home, Sam and I have decided to go out to Whole Foods.
Mom has.
Okay, I decided to go out to Whole Foods because since Amazon bought them, their prices have dropped. I know we were just there, but there's a couple things I want. So with the combination of knowing the prices have dropped and wanting a couple things that I'm out of since the other day, I need to go back. Yes, I'm addicted to Whole Foods.
Price matching.
Sam wants a $65 bottle. Oh, just kidding. I do want these though for the kids. How much are they? $18.99. They'll have to wait. I did get some tofu egg salad. It was really good. I have a new addiction, and it is vegan cookies and cream cake. That's good too. I haven't tried that one yet.
It's $5. Can't do it. Oh, you're spending like $15 over here on cake.
It's my business. Don't tell anyone. Look at these desserts. They're so pretty. Sam is trying that. This is vegan, general something
horse
chicken.
Testicles or something over here.
Oh no. It won't cut. Just bite it.
It won't. Right.
Is it good? You know I want to reach over there and pull that off. Is it good? Your face says it's not good. How
It's not bad.
Huh? That's pretty good. That's good. I might get some of that. We're sampling things. We're just gonna sample these.
They're
Please,
Japanese ice cream.
please purchase product before eating. I think that means no samples. Mochi green tea contains milk, eggs, and wheat.
I'm gonna get 2.
What flavor?
Or 6 for 10.
That's a lot of money.
Sweet
But you know, I would say double chocolate. Are you kidding me?
I'm only getting 2. Oh.
Well, I'm not eating them, I guess, so I'm wiping my hand with this because I can't find a napkin, and I dropped that fake chicken all over myself. Are they stuck?
Yeah.
It's just really cold in there?
Oh yeah, it's a freezer.
I can't wait for you to try them. They're gonna be like gross. Kidding.
Some people grab a bunch of them, but you know, there's people that eat seaweed too, so.
No, they're probably delicious.
Drink the water first. Oh, I'm thirsty.
Sam's gonna try his ice cream. Or whatever. Mochi. Premium ice cream. Here you go. See how good this stuff is.
Mango?
Is there something in it? Or is it just a solid ball? I mean, like, is the outside? Yes, it's different. So there's like a chewy wrapper. Is it chewy?
Very gummy.
Is it good?
It's alright. Strawberry. What?
Is it like fondant? Like that frosting that's marshmallowy? So would you buy it again?
Possibly. Sure.
It's good. It is kind of like a fondant on the outside. It's good. It's just that one tastes like melon. It didn't taste like mango. I love melon, but I don't like melon flavored things as well as like Skylar does. He loves melon flavor. Yeah, it's good. The inside isn't super sweet, the outside is. So all that stuff all over your lips, that's powdered sugar. These guys are filthy. Show everybody your hands, Steele.
You gotta show them the
Grandma put them to work, I guess.
I want to be in Grandma's
Stella and Scout and...
It wasn't down.
Oh, she didn't help too much, but she helped a little bit.
Let me see your hands, Scout.
That Steele didn't want to, and then he started doing it, and he had fun.
Steve and Scout are just gonna do some work because Steele I'm gonna give him some work, but Steele is going to kindergarten soon. Lost my tooth. Yay! I keep on feeling like a tooth right there. Okay, so Steele and Scout are gonna do some work. Let's put a 1 in this corner, 4 in this corner.
Are you?
We're getting volleyball stuff. We got her tank tops, shorts, knee pads, and a swim cap. All right, let's go.
He burnt it! That's why!
There's like a baby thing. Like Spencer is cooking like a sandwich. So it was like beeping like really loud. She didn't even wake up.
Not me.
Bye guys.